What is up, beautiful people? And I would like to welcome you to another episode of Green Thumb Family. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. And this video is going to be action-packed. Why? Because I will be planting white onions, purple onions, and filling out my fourth raised garden bed. I have some dirt here. I even have some eggshells, some banana peels in here too, and then some coffee grinds and all that, which I know my wife is going to be so happy to finally get it out of the house because I've just been putting that plate on the countertop just trying to wait for this day. So the day has come. I have the dirt there. I am excited for it. I'm not going to fill it up all the way, but I'm just going to get it started because in that raised bed I will have things such as carrots, cauliflower, cabbage, things like that. All right, so I'm excited. I think I'm gonna do some radish in that one too. I don't know. Curious about it. I just really want to know what it tastes like. And yes, I can go to the store and buy a radish, but why not taste one that comes from your garden? And not only that, but then I'm gonna just plan out some future raised beds while I'm back there. So again, a lot's happening in this video, but I'm gonna go ahead and get to it, shall we? So let's do this because this is where I keep my seeds. All my seeds are in here. If you haven't seen my other video where I talk about the different seeds and I did the unboxing for those, go ahead and check that out. But here's my bag for my onions, and one of them is open, so I'm trying not to be too reckless. But I have scallion. Here we go. Boom. So I have my white onion seeds and I have my purple onion seeds. Yes. Boom. Have those ready to go. So what I will do is I'm going to put these seeds in these biodegradable containers, put some dirt in it from the raised garden bed. And so I'll put the dirt in it from the raised garden bed, put it in a cup, put the cup in the ground. I also put a seed next to the cup just in case what happens in the cup doesn't take place the way I want it to do, blah, 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 blah. And we'll just have fun from there. All right, let's do it. Like, it'll be a good day. It looks like it may rain tonight, which is ideal after planting these seeds. And let's have a productive day. Yeah. All right, beautiful people, so we are back here. Everything is here. Well, not everything. I need my gloves. Don't have my green thumb gloves, but I'll go and get those. I moved my fourth raised bed out of the way so that I can get to this raised bed here where my onions will go. I'm gonna put my purple onions on this side, white onions on that side, white onion, purple onion. And yeah, that's it, baby. I realized this bed actually have the cauliflower, it has the cabbage, and it has the broccoli. So I have to look at my plans to see what goes in this fourth bed. But nonetheless, we'll go ahead and get this one up and going. So let me go get my gloves. I'll go and get my last little handy tool that I picked up that may be helpful for me today. And we'll get to gardening, okay? All right, y'all, let's have fun. Yeah. So I have this little tool. I'll just push a little hole in like so. Here are my seeds. I'll just put one in there. Seed in there. This one I will use the cup. So I'll put that down. Nice little space. Put a little space in there. Like so. I'll take a seed, put it in there, and then just a light little cover. Nothing serious. Now, you may be trying to wonder, what's the purpose of the cup if you're just putting it in the ground? Well, I'm experimenting. I'm seeing the effects of the cup as opposed to seed just sown. So now after doing that, I'll just take my water hose and just water down the rows just to get a nice little saturation on the ground, you know, get things going in the ground and all that good stuff. Yeah. So I'll just do it like so, just hitting that area because I've already watered the rest of it this morning. So just hitting the strips where the seed has been sown. And yeah, that's that. So now I'll wait, see what happens. So the next part is getting this bed prepared for February's planting. So this bed I'm doing a little bit different because I'm starting it before I actually plant anything in the bed. Again, I'm just trying different things and seeing what works. This may be the way I'll go for the future beds after I build them. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear out the bed of any weeds, grab the compost from my compost bin, which is back there over those pallets, and fill in with the dirt that I have here. I'll put from the compost, I'll then add, what do? I'll do some manure. I have cow manure and compost, and I'll put a layer of soil. And then I'll put a layer of this beautiful all-purpose garden soil in the ground as well. So it'll be compost, then I'll put some manure, and then I'll put some soil, and then I'll put this soil, all found at the local Home Depot. All right, so you see it like this now. I'm gonna get my cultivator out here and pull the weeds, put the compost, put the soil, put the cow manure, then put another layer of soil, and I'll be good to go until I need to garden. Let's do it. And so remember too that this is the bottom of your garden bed, or raised garden bed, and you can really put a little bit of anything at the bottom, almost. For in other words, some people put cardboard at the bottom. You could put tree limbs at the bottom if you're trying to preserve having a whole lot of dirt in there. You could do a number of things. So you saw me put the dirt in there, you saw me put the compost in there. Now I'm gonna put some tree limbs in there just to kind of give it a little body, give it a little density, so I don't have to put so much soil because these are higher than my other raised beds. And then I'll put the other ingredients. All right, let's do it. All right, Green Thumb family. So probably as you can tell, that was not enough dirt to fill it up. Not even close. This is a huge bed. It's not only higher, but it's also wider than my other one. So just by a little bit, but a little bit goes a long way. Anyway, I'll probably have to add 2 more bags of dirt in here to just complete the whole puzzle. And yeah, but it's good to go. I just watered it a little bit. Let it nature do what it do. Let the worms get in there. If the worms want to get in there, let the fun begins in that pot. So now I'm on to my 4th raised bed. Man, this garden is growing and more to come. So if you haven't already done so, please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment below, hit the bell notification so you know when other videos such as this are on the way. Comment below if you're gardening or doing anything in your garden, and you know, let me know what you're doing. Let me know how it's going. Let me know if you have any tricks about how to grow whatever you're growing better, so that I can grow from that as well if I'm, of course, going the same thing. All right, great people, I love you all. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And that's the end of this video. All right, I'm gonna just spend some time in my garden, look at everything, get a feel for everything, and probably start building some more beds. All right, check out these other videos. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. Love you all, love you all, love you. All right, y'all, great people, love you. You know how I do it. Peace.